Now, if you watched our last video, we talked a lot about search engine positioning. Today, we're gonna take that a step further, and we're gonna discuss on how to make money with pay-per-click investing in PPC. Everything you need to know about the new form of ads, PPC campaigns. The process of marketing digitally covers a lot of land. Aside from social media management, like everyone thinks, there's content marketing, SEO, web development, and their own kind of advertisement, pay-per-click ads. Hey guys, welcome to Creative. Here we use our passion for the game to change the game. Every week we talk about solutions that can truly change the business of sports. And today, we're here to discuss the other side of digital marketing, pay-per-click campaigns. Revolutionize the game, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. For a lot of consumers, digital marketing is all about maintaining a large number of followers in a good-looking feed. Not entirely right, but not entirely wrong. As we mentioned earlier, the approach covers a lot of other things, including pay-per-click campaigns, and if you're only listening about this now, keep on watching. So what is pay-per-click? Wikipedia defines pay-per-click as an internet advertising model used to drive traffic to websites. It's just like traditional ad, except this time businesses bid for keywords instead of ad placements. So how does this work? Businesses who want to try these paid ads will have to bid for their targeted keywords alongside thousands of other companies. If they manage to win the bid, Google Ad will list down their site to its pool of advertisers, and whenever someone looks up their chosen term, Google will put their site higher. It's like SEO, except of course it's paid. You're probably thinking, why? If you have an SEO campaign, you're already going well. Why spend more money? Well, your optimization efforts definitely build you a solid source of traffic. PPC campaigns help you ensure you're dominating every SERP possible. Now, you don't have to worry about whether or not your target audience sees you. So, the ultimate checklist to a great PPC campaign. Now, if you're familiar with SEO, then you know that the two main ingredients to success is keywords and content. But in case you don't, we've got a few videos on it and that you can definitely check out. Before proceeding to bid on any search term available, do your research first. Keep in mind that this entire strategy will depend on keywords. Without it, your investments might just go to waste. So before anything else, do your research. Make sure that your keyword list is relevant. Don't just keep an eye on popular keywords though. Look out for long tail search terms that are more specific. Almost everyone, if not everyone, who advertises on Google search engines are consistently refining their lists. Now, to be more pressing matter, how do you ensure PPC campaigns provide you with the ROI? Well, this is great content. Creativity is the secret too. If you want to get an awesome ROI, then you better create clickable designs. Without motivating ads, high-ranking keywords can only do so much. Pair your targeted keywords with rich content that make people click and purchase. Granted, it's not easy to come by with eye-catching stuff, but there's help available. You can ask PPC specialists like our team for some help when it comes to creativity. Admittedly, learning how to make the most out of PPC campaigns can be hard, not to mention SEO alone, but luckily you have us. If you want to learn more about them and how they work alongside SEO strategies, make sure to check out our entire blog where we've linked that below. We hope you guys loved today's video, and if you want to learn more about the great solutions that can change the game, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This is Zach with Creative, where business is our sport.